Are you still struggling with small parts moving or failing during machining in Aspire? In this video, I will show you step by step how to design and generate perfect CNC toolpaths with ease. Create a new file. Job size, width x1220, height y2440, thickness z, 18. OK. Make a draw rectangle. Anchor point x, 50y, 50. Width x100. Height y100. Create. Close. Make a draw circle. Center point. X, 50y, 50. R25. Create. Close. Select all graphics. Array copy. Create a linear block array of copies. Rows y5. Columns x5. Copy. Close. Toolpaths. Show Toolpaths tab. Profile Toolpaths. Cut depth C17. Edit. OK. Insert lift. Add tabs to toolpaths. Select 3D tabs. Length 5, thickness 5. Hold down Shift to select all circles. Edit tabs. Constant number. Add tabs. Close. Select Add ramps to toolpaths. Smooth. Distance 10. Angle 30 degrees. Calculate. Close. 2D view. Profile toolpaths. Outside or right. Hold down Shift to select all rectangles. Add tabs to toolpaths. Edit. Constant number 4. Add tabs. Close. Add ramps to toolpaths. Calculate. Close. Save toolpath. Select Profile 1, Profile 2. Select the appropriate post-processing step. Save toolpath as. Save.
Simple trick, big improvement. Follow me for more practical CNC tutorials and pro machining tips.